Alright, I do it my way. I do it my way. Right, yes, make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell. Yes, because we upload videos every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. That is my personal account on Instagram. Yes, and still I'm welcoming you on this channel, Hair Zipper. You can follow Hair Zipper on Twitter, you can follow Hair Zipper on Facebook, and Hair Zipper on Instagram for more pictures of different types of hairstyle that you will need to know and you need to see. Then after, you can just go straight in my comment section and ask me any question, or maybe about those hairstyles that you have seen, that maybe one day we can still do a video for them. So today we're going to see, I'm going to give you more of some tricks, because people have been asking me how I managed to grow my hair. So here is, I want to show you some of the simple hairstyles that I always played with my hair. I play with my hair, that's why it is becoming now a very long. So this is how we're going to be doing it, and we're going to first with the eco gel. That is what the molding gel. That is what I always use sometimes when I'm braiding. And then we are going to be using the braids. Yes, this time around I would like to do something, because this is how I explained to her, like we try to do something that is protective. And another thing, like if someone tried to look at me, someone might think that is all my hair, so someone shouldn't tell that maybe I had added something there. So what you always do is to first plait your hair. We just have to do it in a knotless way. So at times there's the hair when it is like this hair line down, it has got he doesn't have that volume with the hair in the middle. So what you do here, you can just add from the start, not like from the start, but at least where you're seeing that it is trying to become small, then you try to add. And when you're adding, try to make sure that you add small ones. You understand what I'm saying? You just try to add small extensions, so that when someone looks at it, it looks equal, and might think of maybe you did dreads, or maybe it is your real hair. So this is the simple trick that you can always use. Yes, you can do this with a kinky, you can do this with these any type of hair pieces that you can be with, you can still use it. So this is how I'm trying to do it, and you can see how we're trying to apply the molding gel. And then after doing that, you just have to separate it into 3 portions, just like that. And then you first braid the hair only. Yes, just like that. So when after plaiting the hair only, you just have to come back and play and start putting the extensions. You understand? Not like just putting it in the middle, because there, not like putting it from the start. There someone might tell, because you can see how someone might be seeing how it is added on. But now if you try to make sure that when you first plait your hair only, and when you see the hair is becoming is trying to lose the volume, is when you start adding the extension. So that one makes it look, you can see how this one, the way they look on. This is how I always try to maintain my hair. I told you this, that there's no any hairstyle that can't break your hair. All hairstyles can break your hair, But the most important thing is, how do they plait them? Because you find someone is saying, I can't do crochet because they broke my hair, I rather do pieces. And there are those ones saying that pieces broke my hair, I rather do a crochet or braiding. So it means that all hairstyles can break hair, but how do they plait it? So I think that is the main point. If you go to the salon and you're trying to do your hair, and at the first place when they have started plaiting and you feel that first line is on fire, you feel like it is on fire, then means you're at you're at risk of losing your hair. That means the hair might be tight, and for you trying to make them flexible, like trying to make them to be on the position that you want, it will lead to the breakage. So you just have to be very, very serious about it whenever you're trying to do this kind of protective exercise. So when we reach here, it's when it is challenging. You can try to see how it looks. When you reach in the middle, you find the hair has got a lot of volume. And if someone doesn't, if you don't know how to count it in your head, it means you might keep on adding the way you've been adding from down, and for this one you'll find it very, very big. So what you do, you just add very small. You understand? Very small. And I think she wasn't doing it right, because you can still plait the hair only until you reach the extent where the hair is like starting to become small. Then you start trying, because now here the hair might be big, and then you find the extension down, it is small, and it's going to show where the hair stops. But if you're watching, I think you're trying to understand what I'm saying. Like, try to plait your hair only, and when you see it's going to end, it's when you add that extension. That means for it to skip on, it to look the same, not showing that maybe up is big and down is very small. Yes, so that's why we take it serious when it comes to this kind of thing. This is how I always try to maintain my hair, and indeed my hair grown. My hair is growing. Yes, it's growing just because of these simple hairstyles that I always put in. Yes, so now you can also try it out and you'll see the change, but mostly there's some things that we just have to do for the sake of our hair. So now you can see how it looks. Very, very perfect and nice, just like that. Yes, so you can also try it out and see how it's going to do for you. Trust me, it's very, very nice. That's what I can say about it. And yes, so for now I'm going to be signing out, but trust me guys, we need to still get more on this, like on how we can keep playing around with our natural hair so that it can grow as healthier as the way you can see how mine looks. Yes, sometimes I forgot to tell you about this. Yes, some people don't like blow drying. Yes, sometimes it's no good, but people do it badly, in that whenever they are blow drying, they put a lot of heat, and yet it's not supposed to be the way you hear it's a blow dry. So just have to blow dry it with that air. Yes, not the heat, you understand? So that's how you can also achieve that thing. So guys, let me sign out. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and see you in my next video. So now, these coming weeks and the new month, let's start something that is serious. We're going to be watching all those hairstyles that you need to learn. Trust me, I've said that we are going to do it all the coming month. Yes, so that we get to learn everything. I sign out. Bye bye. This is what I meant.